These three apps can start making you money today, no matter where you are from. The first app in our list is Earnably. It is a free get paid site in which you can make money by completing simple surveys, playing games, and completing offers. This site is available worldwide and completely free to join. These offers are available for Android, iOS, and even desktop or computer. For example, I click on the Forest Cleaner game. The estimated time is 30 days and the point you will collect is 4.3 million. There are certain levels. The more you complete the levels, the more your earnings will increase. Make money by completing surveys. These are the surveys you can complete. Make money by inviting your friend. Share your link with friend and earn 10% of their earnings for lifetime. Plus, you will get 30,000 points when the person you referred earns 30,000 points. You can redeem your points for free cash via PayPal or digital gift cards. The next step in our list is Nice Surveys. This app is available worldwide and completely free to join. Create your account in 30 seconds. If you want to make money by completing simple surveys, this is the right app for you. These are the surveys you can complete. Just click on the survey you want and complete it. This is the estimated time of the survey and this is the amount you will earn after the completion of the survey. The more surveys you complete, the more new surveys will be unlocked. You can also make money through referrals. Invite your friend and earn 10% for every survey your friend completes forever. You can withdraw your earnings through Visa and gift cards. The payment options also depends upon the location. The minimum payout threshold is $2.50. Next in the list we have Vcash. This is the dashboard of Vcash. At the top is my tokens which I can redeem for real money. This app claims that you can earn up to $50 a day. The payment options include PayPal and Visa. This is my balance which is 29 cents. The minimum payout threshold is $10. These are the offer walls and games you can make money from. Select the game you are interested in and play. For example, I click on the wishing well game. These are the tasks which you have to complete. The more tasks you complete, the more your earnings will increase. So this is a legit get paid to platform in which you can make money by playing games, taking surveys. I suggest you guys to always make money from surveys.